fusion markets.
You're probably asking yourself, why TradingView? Why has Fusion Markets, decided to go with TradingView? Well, as I mentioned, it's one of the most prominent platforms there is globally. And with this integration, you can trade directly through your chart. So, one of the things that our traders wanted was TradingView, but giving them the capacity to actually trade through charts and do their analysis on their charts through TradingView is something that all of our traders wanted. TradingView also offers, hundreds of pre-built indicators, and it offers 100,000 public indicators. TradingView is huge on community. They're a very community-centric focused group. So there'll often be times we'll be chatting with other traders, looking at trade ideas and sharing, public indicators. And that's what really makes this platform special. TradingView is also available on desktop, tablet, and mobile. So you've got, a platform wherever you go at any time. It's a fantastic offering, and we're really happy to see it come through on tablet, desktop, and mobile. There's some advanced charting tools as well. As I mentioned, it's one of the largest social trading networks, and there's, sensational flexibility in terms of alerts and news. So that's one of the many reasons that we've gone with TradingView.